For our first project, we've inserted our jump drive into the computer. I'm going to locate the icon on our desktop and open it up. First thing we have to do is to make a new folder. So I'm going to hold down my control key, click once, and create new folder. Let's call this folder the Info Sheet Project. Everything about this project will be saved to this folder. The next thing we have to do is to go into Safari. So let's go down to the dock and launch Safari and type in the web address to our class's web page. So it's https://sites.google.com/a/mc.edu intro 12. From here you can find week 1 and click on the downloads link. This will take us to all the page downloads for this week's class. The one we're looking for is Info Sheet Document. Locate the download button next to this document, hold down your control key and click once. This will give us a pop-out menu. We're going to select Download Linked File As. This will give us a pop-up menu in our Safari browser. If you can't see everything, click on the down arrow next to the Save As dialog box, and that'll expand your Save As dialog box. What we need to do is find our Info Sheet project folder that we just created. If you look in the right hand side, you'll see the name of your jump drive. In my case, it's called Your Disk. I'm going to click on it once, and then you can see in our main box the name of all the files that are inside of our jump drive. I'm going to double click on the Info Sheet project file folder. That'll open it up. Now I can hit Save. Now I can quit out of Safari, either by going to Safari in our menu bar and down to Quit, or I can hit Command Q and that'll close it out. Now let's go back to our jump drive menu, open up the Info Sheet project folder, and double click on the Info Sheet document. This will open up Microsoft Word. From here, let's type in our name, type in your email address, and also type in your phone number. The rest of the document will be filled out using a pencil. So to print it off, go to File, go down to Print, and this will bring up your print dialog box. Choose the appropriate printer, and when you're done, click Print. Once the document has been printed, you can quit Microsoft Word, but before we do, let's save this document by going to File, down to Save. Now it's been saved to your jump drive. We can go to File, and quit by hitting the Command Q. The last thing we need to do is to eject our jump drive. So to do this, I'm going to hit the red box, the red button at the top left hand corner of our Info Sheet project window. I'm going to select our jump drive and hit Command E, and after a few moments our icon will disappear and we can safely eject our jump drive.